everyone, I am back to make Lifetime Love Soap. Now, this is a really nice fruity floral with, it's sort of got like a mandarin sort of a scent and roses. It's beautiful, I love this. So this is a customer favourite and it's actually a customer request on my Facebook group page yesterday to make this one again. So I don't think I've ever made this on video before for YouTube. So you can see me make this one. It's very simple, just a plain pink base with a nice sort of pale blue and then some real rosebuds on the top. So Lifetime Love was originally a Valentine's soap that I made, and I sort of bring it back in whip soaps, and I'm going to make a body cream. Somebody's requested a body cream, but it's not something that I make all the time, so it's not really part of the range. It's just something I bring back every now and again, and usually due to customer requests. So once they get hold of it, it's like people are slowly starting to really love this one. So that is what I am making today. So if you want to see me make that one, then stay tuned and let's get going. Right, so let's see if we can make this look the same as the last time. I've been making all big batches lately, so this feels really cutesy. I've not been using these little bowls, I've been using my big buckets, but anyway, let's go. And I'm going to separate off the two colours. So my old Kenwood stick blender finally died, which was a shame. There wasn't really a lot I could do about that. That was I'd already bought this KitchenAid one, but the KitchenAid isn't as powerful, so I haven't used it that much other than for body cream and things like that. I'm having to use it now for soap. So I'm using Candy Pink mica in this as my base. Get all that in there because I need to buy some more. And then in this one I'm using Sky Blue, and these are both from Mica Mama. The Sky Blue is really pretty. That there. Stick blend that base and get that poured. There you go. This colour of this looks like okay, sorry. Yeah, the pink custard they used to give you at school on a piece of sponge cake. I don't know if you had that. If you're in the States, let me know if you had that at school, but we used to have it in the UK. And I guess they made it pink just to make it more appealing to children, but it always was cold, that I remember, or like slightly warm. It was never, you know, the nice custard you get at home or at Grandma's. It was always a bit insipidly, ugh. School dinners, not very nice, but that colour has just reminded me of that pink custard. I just watched this programme on Netflix called Requiem. Oh, leave a comment below if you watched it. It's very odd. It's British. I've been watching lots and lots of British dramas and sort of cop detective type things lately, and I've been actually really enjoying them. I did actually enjoy this, but it was, yes, it went to places where I was a bit like, ooh, that's not very nice. Lots of witchcraft. But nasty witchcraft, not nice witchcraft. Interesting. Okay, let's put that to the side. I'm just going to stick blend this blue in. It's actually at a good consistency to do this topping. Okay, so I'm just going to put it down the side like I did before. Maybe put a bit too much this time. I'm out of practice with this style. I've been making such those big blocks, so it's a different process really, making small loaves. This is a customer request this morning, so I thought, all right, I'll make that again. Alright, if it goes a bit over than it did before, as long as I get those two colours on the top and the roses, it will be fine. I don't want one side to be a lot higher than the other, otherwise the packaging will be a troublesome issue. Okay, just get a bit of tissue. Tissue. What I did last time was I brought the pink over a bit. Could do being a bit thicker really. Okay, roses. And I haven't marked this out, so I need my ruler. Put them here. So I'm going to go up a bit, because I've got two end pieces, so the end cuts are there. Right, so I'll start this end. Just bear with me, Mo. I'm going to bring that down a bit and then start. Right in the middle. So me and Matt are taking the afternoon off today to go to the gym. Because having the new pup, it's sort of impossible to live how we used to, and we would go to the gym in the mornings because Bridie's okay to be left alone for a bit, but not with Prudence. She is just way too naughty to be left, unfortunately. So my mum has well, we just have an hour to go and do a workout, so that's what we're going to do today. I've got a few things to just finish here at work and then I can go. So that'll be nice. We could do it in separate shifts, but Matt likes us to go to the gym together. I suppose it's a nice thing because otherwise we don't do nice things together, and it's nice we actually enjoy going to the gym together. I mean, we don't spend all our time together in the gym because we're both doing different things, but it's nice to go together and have that bit of time to ourselves. It's like having a kid. Okay. And my mum loves the pup, so she enjoys having her. Okay, there we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it, perfect. 17 bars. Okay, so I will be back tomorrow to show you the cut of that. And I think the next soap I'll be making is going to be Wild Mint. So I will see you for that one as well. Ta-ta. Rightio, we're ready to cut Lifetime Love. It's been resting nicely in its mould. Pink is actually really nice, even though it does look like that custard I was mentioning, but it's a nice pink. I need to get some more because I just ran out yesterday. This is a nice bar of loaf of soap, this one. Okay, I'm just trying to cut it so you can see, just to make sure I get my roses all in. Yeah. Okay. Sorry if the angle's a bit off, it's the only way I can do it today. There's nothing inside it anyway because we've just got that one different colour on the side. So they're all the same. But you get to see the finished bars. So kind of plain, but pretty. Very, very pretty. I don't think I had a bar of this for myself the last time I made it, but I think I might snag one this time. Or I can always have the end piece. So there we go. So I've got the pup with me today. She's asleep at the moment, so I won't be making any soaps today, but I've got orders to pack, so she's not too happy going to the pottery yesterday, so I said, well, leave her with me and Bridie. I guess she likes to be with her big sister. So we've got her with us today. And she gets to have a good long walk in the morning with Bridie, and another walk in the afternoon, and another walk in the evening. So she needs to be worn out, this little dog. Eventually whippets, they just become a bit less needy as they get older and older. So that's good. I just need to make sure that is... Yeah, they just need that one long walk in the morning and then a sort of half an hour, 20-minute, half an hour walk in the evening. But the morning walk is the all-important one, so that they are tired and then they like to sleep for most of the day. But the pup, and when they are puppies, they are on the go. She'll sort of sleep now for a couple of hours and then she will wake up and want to start all over again. So yeah, they're hard work. So anyway, that's Lifetime Love. I'm going to trim this up and get it on the shelf for curing, and I'll be back for the next soap, which is Wild Mint, and the next video. Okay, ta-ta.